Hey guys, Kirsten here. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for a quick 10-minute makeup look that you can use in the morning before work. I work in marketing, I'm always busy, I work typically Monday through Friday 9 to 5, so I like to sleep in as late as possible and not spend a lot of time with my makeup in the morning. I like to save the more intricate makeup looks for the weekend. So without further ado, let's get started. So right now I've been using Maybelline's Dream Satin Liquid. I'm looking to buy probably a more expensive one that doesn't have any chemicals in it. I'm really about trying to be organic and use more natural products, but I've been using this right now until it's all gone. So what I do is I just put 2 squirts on my hand, and then I am going to use the Tarte foundation brush. Love this so much. I used to put foundation on with my hands, but I found it blends in a lot better with a brush, plus then you're not getting all that bacteria from your hands. So just start right here. I usually just dab a little bit on both sides. I'm gonna start around here. And as you can see, this might be a little bit dark for my skin tone. We are coming into the end of summer. I have not been out in the sun a whole lot the past couple of weeks, but we're just gonna have to work with it for now. But when I go buy my new foundation, probably in a couple weeks or so, I will look to getting a lighter shade. But the main thing with foundation is you don't want to forget your neck and make sure everything is well blended. Sometimes I think that people forget that their face is connected to the rest of their body, and we don't want to have our face a different color than our neck. So just make sure you don't have to actually put makeup on your neck, but just blend it down in. I even go behind. Okay. So I think we're good there. Just make sure you blend that out into your hairline. Okay, so now I'm going to do concealer. I always used to do concealer first until I learned you should do it second, because you're going to use less after you put foundation on. I'm using Makeup Forever Full Cover. I love this. It's lasted me forever. You just need a tiny bit. So I'll put some under my eye. A little goes a long way with this. I'm going to do the other eye. It is Sunday and I'm kind of tired today, as you can tell. My dark circles are a little bit worse than usual, but that's okay, because we got the concealer to cover it up. So since this is a cream concealer, what I've been doing is putting down some powder over that just to kind of set it in. So my favorite thing right now is Smashbox. This is a contour kit. Sometimes I do contour if I have more time. This is a quick look, so we're just gonna skip that. So I'm just gonna go in with the highlight. This is a really light highlight color. I'd say it's better for someone that has pale skin. It has kind of a banana-y yellow undertone to it, and I'm just gonna go in under my eye and kind of just set that cream concealer. Kind of just brightens you up. And if you want to go in quick and just do your chin, bridge of your nose, your forehead, I usually skip that if I'm in a hurry, but just as long as we got the under eyes covered, I'm good. Okay, so quick, we're trying to get this done real quick in the morning. So all I'm going to use is Bare Minerals A Little Sun. Now, I cannot say enough good things about this. I love it. It is a loose powder bronzer. It is amazing. So the best way to use it is you tap it into the lid. You only need a little bit, just a little bit. And then I'm using a contour / bronzing brush from Tarte. So I'm going to swirl it in. Get up all that good bronzer stuff. And then I'm going to tap. Take off the excess. And I'm just going to give myself nice bronzing on the cheeks. From the cheekbone up into the brow. You can even go like this a little bit. So a little sun, just a little sun. So we're gonna do the same thing, just tap a little bit into the lid. Get that brush and that loose powder, tap it out, blend it in. It might just be in one spot when you first put it down, but you can blend it out pretty easily. So not to worry. And you can always start with a little bit and add more. They say less is always more. So you can look like you got a little bit of sun without actually going in the sun. Perfect. All right, let's move on to eyes. We're at almost 6 minutes. We gotta get it moving. Okay, so I am in love. I don't know if you can get this anymore. I'm sure you can on Amazon, but this is the Mermaid palette from Tarte. Oh my gosh. These colors, amazing. It's infused with vanilla extract, and oh my gosh, it smells so amazing. I will seriously just open it in the morning and just sniff it. So for a great everyday look, I am going to do Shell Yeah right here, and I'm just going to use my finger. Like I said, this is quick. I'm trying to make this a 10-minute makeup in the morning. And then I'm just going to go in and dab that on my bottom lid. And these are also super blendable, which is great. So you can really just go in with your fingers. Then I'm going to do the other lid. And what's also great about this look is it goes with any color. So no matter what color shirt you're wearing, it'll look great. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with Mimosa, which is a lighter color, still bronzy. And I'm just going to dab that under my brow. And these colors blend pretty good together. You can see it just adds a nice glowy look. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And normally I'll go in with a blending shadow brush and just kind of go over each one, but I forgot that in the bathroom and I don't want to run over there, so normally I would just go over with that, but otherwise it's fine. They're pretty light that, you know, it looks blended good enough like that. So there's the eyes, super simple. And then I'm going to go in with mascara. I've been using this mascara for 10 Years Strong, CoverGirl Volume Blast. It doesn't seem to be working as well the past couple of years. I don't know if that's because I'm getting older and my eyelashes are getting thinner, or because they changed the formula. So I'm just going to go in. I'm actually going to use this mirror, otherwise it's hard for me to see. I'm going to poke my eye out right now. I find it best to blink into the mascara. I think that results in the best application. Whatever works best for you. And then I usually get a little bit under my eyes, but I find it's easier to get it off after it dries. I usually don't do a lot of mascara with this look just because it's natural, it's quick. Just a little bit of mascara to make my eyeballs pop. That's my dog Vixie. She's a barky Pomeranian. Sorry for the interruption. Alright, it's quiet. Do the bottom over here. Alright, last thing, we are going to do brows. We are at 9 minutes and 30 seconds. If you weren't talking, this would be a 10-minute look. Okay, so for my brows, if I'm not doing a heavy eye, I use Makeup Forever Brow Gel. I don't have good thick brows, but this works good just for a quick fill-in. It adheres pretty well to the brows that you already have. So you kind of just want to go in and do little strokes and then pull it over the arch and down. just adds a little bit of color. It's really natural. That's what I love about it. Really natural brow look. Just pull it down. So if you're not working with a lot, but you got a little, this works. And then you can always go in, which I'll show in a more dramatic look later. You can go in with brow powder, whatever you have. I usually don't put anything on my lips, but you could do a soft pink. You could just do a lip gloss if you're looking for a little bit more pop. During the week, I usually don't wear a lip gloss. So that's completely up to you. But anyways, here is your natural look for the work week. So happy Sunday, and everyone have a great week. Thank you for watching. Bye.